Buying a new sofa.
Look at this gray sofa.
It looks very nice.
Let's sit on it.
Oh, it is very soft.
I like the color too.
But is it big enough?
Yes, 3 people can sit here.
Our living room is quite small.
That is true. Let's measure it.
Do you have the tape measure?
Yes, it is in my bag.
This sofa is 2 meters long.
That fits perfectly near the window.
What about this leather one?
No, I don't like leather.
Why not? It is easy to clean.
It gets too cold in winter.
Good point. The gray fabric is better.
Look, it has matching cushions too.
Are they included in the price?
Let me check the tag.
Yes, they are free.
That is a great deal.
Should we buy it today? Settee.
Yes. Let's talk to the assistant.
I can see one over there.
Great. Let's go ask her.
Perfect. I am happy with this choice.
Painting the bedroom.
I want to paint our room.
What color do you want?
Maybe a light green or blue.
I prefer light blue.
Why do you like blue?
It is very calm and peaceful.
Yes, that is good for a bedroom.
Let's look at these color cards.
This blue is too dark.
How about this one? Ocean blue.
That is beautiful, but quite bright.
This soft blue is nice.
I agree, it looks very clean.
We need to buy the paint now.
Do we have paint rollers?
Yes, we have 2 in the garage.
We need a new brush, though.
Let's buy 1 big brush.
Do we need plastic for the floor?
Yes, to protect the carpet.
I can get some old newspapers, too.
That is a good idea.
When can we start painting?
We can start on Saturday morning.
Excellent. It will take all weekend.
But the room will look amazing.
I can't wait to see it finished.
Me too. Let's go buy the paint.
Assembling a bookshelf.
Can you help me with this box?
Sure. Is this your new bookshelf?
Yes, it is from the local shop.
Let's open the box first.
Where are the instructions?
They are right here on the top.
Great, we need a screwdriver.
I have one in my kitchen drawer.
Can you please go get it?
Yes, I will be right back.
Let's put the wooden pieces on the floor.
Here is the screwdriver and some screws.
Thank you. Let's look at step 1.
We need to connect these 2 sideboards.
Okay, hold this side for me, please.
I am holding it. Now turn the screw.
It is quite easy to turn.
Good. Now we need the shelves.
How many shelves are there?
There are 4 shelves in total.
Let's put the first one at the bottom.
Wait, is this the right way up?
No, you are right. It is upside down.
Let's turn it over.
Okay, now it looks correct.
Let's do the other 3 shelves now.
This is going very fast with your help.
We make a great team.
Hanging pictures. Non-day.
Where should we hang this picture?
Let's put it on this wall.
Above the small table?
Yes, that is a good place.
Is it too high?
Let me hold it for you.
Stand back a little bit.
How does it look now?
It needs to go a bit lower.
Is this height okay?
Yes, that is perfect.
Do we have a pencil?
Yes, here's one. Mark the wall.
I made a small mark.
Great. Now we need a nail.
And a small hammer too.
I have them right here.
Let me hit the nail gently.
Be careful with your fingers.
Don't worry, I am always careful.
Okay. The nail is in the wall.
Let's hang the picture frame now.
Is it straight?
It looks a bit crooked to the left.
How about now?
Yes, now it is perfectly straight.
It looks really nice there.
Yes, it makes the room cozy.
Choosing a rug.
This store has so many rugs.
What color is our dining table?
It is dark brown wood.
Then we need a light rug.
How about this gray one?
I think gray is too plain.
Do you want a pattern?
Yes, a simple geometric pattern.
Look at this one with blue lines.
That looks very modern.
Is it soft? Touch it.
Oh, yes, it feels very nice.
What size do we need?
The table is 2 meters long.
So we need a 3-meter rug.
Let's check the size of this one.
This one is exactly 3 meters.
That is a perfect match.
How much does it cost?
It is 80 pounds.
That is a very good price.
Is it easy to clean?
Yes, the label says it is washable.
That is important for a dining room.
Yes, because of food spills.
Let's take it to the cash desk.
Can you carry it?
Yes, it is not too heavy.
Setting up a home office.
I need to set up my home office.
Which room are you using?
The small spare bedroom upstairs.
First, we need a good desk.
I want a simple wooden desk.
There is a nice one online.
Let me see the picture.
Here it is on my phone.
I like it, but does it have drawers?
Yes, it has 2 small drawers.
That is perfect for my pens.
You also need a comfortable chair.
Yes, my back hurts easily.
Let's get an adjustable office chair.
It should have armrests too.
Where will you put the desk?
I want to put it near the window.
That is good for natural light.
But I also need a desk lamp.
We can find one at the local shop.
Are there enough power outlets in that room?
Yes, there are 2 near the window.
Perfect. I can plug in my computer.
Do you need a bookshelf too?
No, I do everything on my computer.
That saves a lot of space.
Yes, the room will feel quite open.
Let's order the desk now.
Rearranging. Ranging the living room.
I want to move this armchair
Where do you want to put it?
next to the big window.
But that is where the lamp is.
We can move the lamp to the corner.
That is a good idea.
Can you help me lift the armchair?
Yes, it is quite heavy.
On 3, let's lift it. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, this is indeed very heavy.
Put it down carefully here.
How does it look in this corner?
It looks much better.
Now, let's move the TV stand.
Should we put it against the wall?
Yes, opposite the sofa.
Wait, the cables are too short.
Can we use an extension cord?
Yes, we have one under the stairs.
I will go and get it.
Thanks, then we can plug it in.
Here is the extension cord.
Great, now we can connect everything.
This room feels much bigger now.
Yes, there is more space to walk.
I really like this new layout.
Me too. It feels like a new house.
Let's sit down and enjoy it.
Buying curtains.
We need curtains for the bedroom.
The morning sun is very bright.
Yes, we need thick curtains.
What color do you want?
Maybe dark gray or navy blue.
I prefer navy blue.
Let's look at this curtain section.
Here are some navy blue ones.
Are they blackout curtains?
Let me read the label. Yes, they block 90% of light.
That is exactly what we need.
What size is our window?
It is 150 centimeters wide.
And how long is it?
It's 2 meters long.
These curtains are 2 meters long too.
That is the perfect length.
Do we need a curtain rod?
No, we already have one.
Are these curtains easy to hang?
Yes, they have rings at the top.
You just slide them onto the rod.
That is very simple.
How much are they?
They are 40 pounds for the pair.
That is a very good price.
Let's take them to the counter.
Great, we will sleep much better now.
Decorating the balcony.
Our balcony looks very empty.
Yes, we need some outdoor furniture.
A small table and 2 chairs.
Yes, folding chairs are best.
Why folding chairs?
We can fold them when it rains.
That is a smart idea.
What about some plants?
I want lots of green plants
We can put them in the corners.
and maybe some hanging pots.
Yes, on the balcony railing.
What color should the cushions be?
Maybe a bright color like yellow.
Yellow is very cheerful.
We can also add some outdoor lights.
Small fairy lights would be beautiful.
We can wrap them around the railing.
That will look so cozy at night.
Is there a power plug outside?
No, but we can buy solar lights.
Solar lights are perfect for balconies.
They turn on automatically when it gets dark.
Let's go to the garden center.
Can we buy the table today too?
Yes, they have a lot of balcony furniture.
I am so excited to sit outside.
Me too. Let's make it beautiful.
Shopping for a mattress.
My back hurts every morning.
We really need a new mattress.
Let's test some in this shop.
This one looks very thick.
Lie down and see how it feels.
Oh, this is very soft.
Do you like soft mattresses?
Not really. My back needs support.
Let's try this firm one.
This feels much better.
It is a bit too hard for me.
Is there a medium firm one?
Let's look at this one over here.
Lie down on it with me.
Wow, this is very comfortable.
Yes, it is soft but supportive.
What size is our bed frame?
It is a standard king size.
Is this mattress a king size?
Yes, the tag says king size.
How much does it cost?
It is 400 pounds.
Does it have a warranty?
Yes, it has a 10-year warranty.
That means it is high quality.
Should we get 2 new pillows too?
Yes, our pillows are very old.
Let's buy the mattress and pillows.